Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I made a mistake on trying to put the metal on the interior walls. I just couldn't get it to set properly. It was bowing and this isn't exactly 100% square, but it's close enough for me. And I was having a problem putting the metal in. So what I'm going to have to do is find some wood to make it'll just be like a cross in there, and then I'll have my shelves in here as I told you, but you kind of see what I've got going on. And this will be up here. It won't be this long though, but I'll have it up here, and then I'll have different things. But I've got like my hammers, I've got them outlined, so that'll help me keep up with everything. And this whole side will be nothing but woodworking stuff. Screws, glues, and my squares and angle finders. And I even made this little contraption too to hold my pencil. I'm always looking for pencil. Where's my pencil at? Where's my pencil at? And I like Sharpies too. So, and on the other side, I'm just doing that on two sides. And directly on the other side where I got those clamps, it's gluing, and I've glued and screwed it. And still all that's out of scrap. But kind of getting a feel for what I'm doing. I lost about 4 hours with the whole metal concept, and of course the metal, I've got another project I can use that metal on, and I've just got to scrounge around on the farm and see what I can do on the interior boards. And up top I want to put a top on there because I will store stuff up there too, and I'll have it where I can see it. I'll put a divider up there, and I can see everything, but nothing heavy. All the heavy stuff will be at the bottom. But this hammer is my daddy's hammer. That was the last hammer he had. Now my daddy wasn't a carpenter. He knew how to build, and he knew how to use saws. No, that's where I got a lot of my basic skills from. But that's his hammer, so I still use it. I thought about not, but I don't think he'd like that, so I'll pull it out. And if I'm working my shop, I pull my table saw outside because of the weather here in North Carolina. I can work outside a lot, and I have my table saw and my chop saw out there, and I'll do my assembling inside the shop. And if it's real nice, I might sit outside and do my assembling. But that was my daddy's last hammer, and I've got some videos I'll link to the end of this that show some of the old shop tools and stuff. I've still got tools from the farm. I got all kind of old stuff, and a lot of you wouldn't believe, but I would keep it for memories. But that's where we're at. So I'm at a standstill. I'm going to work on it today and see if I can scrounge up enough wood to do my interiors, because I'm really jonesing to get these shelves. I figured out my cutoffs on these knotty pines are enough where I can get 2 shelves each, so I want 4 shelves on each side at least, and or in each cubby, but I can do 2 sides with these shelves. So what I'm doing, I'll make the shelves for this side and the opposite side to make the weight proper, and then do the other shelves for this side. There's a side going in here behind this, and then right in there there'll be shelves too on the other side. It'll just be, when you turn it around, you get the same thing. You'll have this and then shelves, and a turn around, there'll be shelves, and then another wall for, whatever, for my arts and crafts stuff that I do for flea market. I've got all kind of paint brushes and paints and stuff for that. So, but there you have it. I'm making progress. I just had a little roadblock there. But outlining these tools will help me keep them in place, and it'll know if something's missing too. And I'll know, oh, I need to find that, because this stuff, I'm not planning on taking this stuff out of my shop, and I'll leave it in there. And I've got other tools I can use on the road. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.